Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy a board link in Miro. So there's two ways how you can actually do this. If you're currently in the board itself, you can click share in the upper right, and here you can copy the link. So here you can set it to how you want. Can edit, can view, whatever, but you have the option to copy the team invite link. The team invite link is basically the board, and you can just copy the link and that will be it. You also have the option to get embed, so you can do that as well and publish and so forth. But to get the link, you can simply do that, right? And so you have the link. Now, another way how to actually get the link for the board is if you're actually on your home dashboard in Miro, you scroll down and you can find the boards right here. Simple click the three dots towards the right, and here you have copy board link. If you click on that, you copy the board link as well. So that's how you copy the board link, and you can share that, you can open it, whatever, that's a link, and that's it guys. So that's how you can easily copy a board link in Miro. Very easy and very simple.